Hello YouTube. We're here today to talk about one of my favorite products over at Harbor Freight, this composite ratchet. I'm sure you see it on the shelf. I'm going to list the item number in the description here. One of my favorite tools, to be honest with you. I could sit here all day and talk about how fine, you see here how fine that is? It's real good quality. We can sit here all day and talk about it, but I'm going to put it through a little bit of a torture test just to show you. Right here is a nut we use in the shop to calibrate our torque wrenches. Right now it's loose. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. After I tighten it up, I'm going to go ahead and torque it down to about 300 foot-pounds right here. This thing won't focus in, but I got this giant torque wrench here set to 300 foot-pounds. My assistant Justin's going to go ahead and hold this camera. Alright, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and cinch it down. And go ahead and torque it down right here. Alright, we're at 300 foot-pounds. Sticking out stuff. Got it. This is a 33 millimeter lug nut socket, so I'm going to have to use a series of adapters. And we're going to go ahead and try to break it loose. Remember, 300 foot-pounds. Now, I've never tried this before, so it may break, it may not, I don't know. Unfortunately, it failed. Can't get this adapter off because it's locked in there, and the lock, it broke right through there. It snapped the whole thing right off from the housing. See where it failed there? Otherwise, this product is great. Truthfully, that was a bit of a torture test that was probably beyond its torquing capacity. But for regular duty use, I've used this particular one for about 3 years in the shop without an issue.